This is a potential short trade setup for GIS General Mills. We had some, again, I've always talked about how charts create the news. This is a website called iwaspoisoned.com, and we have Lucky Charms here. Huge story going around where you could report on this website, key website, as far as if there's been any poison reports around any site of a restaurant or any product produce you've eaten, and you could report to this website. Well, we have a huge Lucky Charm poison going on around right now. Seems a lot of people are getting sick off the cereal brand here, Lucky Charms, and you can type in Lucky Charms as a hashtag up on this website, and you'll find pretty much countless amount of articles regarding and posts regarding some sort of sickness that's being caused by these Lucky Charms cereal brands, and Lucky Charms being a component of the General Mills company here. We have here on the weekly, as far as bearish charts creating the news here, we've got doesn't usually a pretty good evening inverse evening star, and we've got followed by a bearish deliberation continuation pattern here, where you've got your 1-2 candle rally, and then followed by a pretty indecisive looking candle. Yeah, we did last week put in the week, or for this week, a pretty good sizable candle here so far. Anything could happen. We could melt right back below that 7120, which is basically based off the hourly here that I've got, and I like to see this nice channel here, but I like to see a breakdown crack below that 7120 price support, which will coincide with the 50 hourly moving average as well. And if we get that solid hourly close, in my opinion, it'll put in a sell signal off this primary channel and take me down to that, most likely take you down to that 60.99 for a 1.2% drop, down to 69.04 for a 2.6% drop, 68.68 price support for a 3.2% drop, down to 67.67 price support for a 4.5% drop. So we'll wait patiently for that break below that 7120 level and see if the news starts to take a hit on the charts here. Another thing that I had noticed that's pretty significant level here is the weekly off the 2016 highs here, and some pretty solid resistance here, and we're touching there. We're almost a hair away from it. Another 1% away, which would spell for an objective entry short. Off that previous high. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row it had been rejected way back in 2016, and it's been in a pretty bear market ever since, making a series of lower lows. And yeah, we have been in an uptrend here so far. Almost reminds me of a head and shoulder here, where you got your shoulder, head, shoulder, and we'll see if it ends up continuing back down here. But again, there's nothing that suggests to take a short position out now, and there is nothing suggesting to sell now until we get these breaks off these key levels, and we've got some pretty nice negative divergences based off the middle of March here. So we'll see how this plays out, and I'll keep you updated if I see any new developments.